What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. You hit your 100,000 miles on your Honda Civic. This is from a 2005. All right, this is a quick tune-up. Anyone can do this. You're going to order 4 ignition coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to order 4 spark plugs. All right, let's get to it. I'll show you how easy it is to change these things out. First thing you're going to need is a screwdriver. You're going to unscrew this cap here where it says Honda. These little plastic things, just back them off a half a turn and lift it up. Put it aside. These are the ignition coils. You have some nuts there you got to remove. They're 10 millimeter. All right, so you're going to come over here. You're going to remove them. Be careful. Go nice and easy. Which, by the way, I recommend you disconnect your battery while you're working on this. All right, this is real YouTube video. I dropped it so this way to show you. Keep an eye on these. All right, take them all off. Go nice and easy. If you got one of those magnetic little holders, get one of those going. All right, you want to go nice and easy. Okay, once you got all those off, you're going to come in here and you're going to pop these out. They literally just come up. Make sure they're loose, give them a little pull. All right, you got these plugs here. You want to just unplug, you push in and over here where my finger is, you give it a little pull. Right like that. See the little tab? So you got to push on it and pull it apart. Lift your coil out. Take a look at it. You can see it's a little burnt. So yeah, they need to be replaced. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out each one, unclip each one. Go easy with it. Put those aside. You can see how simple this is to change these out. I order my stuff on Rock Auto, so this is it here. I go with the Denso. All right, if you want to look at the model number, you can see that. All right. Same thing with the spark plugs. We're going to remove those next. I go with these Denso here. All right. So after you get your ignition coils out, you want to grab a socket, long socket with an extension. An extension. You want to grab, if you have one of these, it's a 5/8. It's especially made for spark plugs. There's a little rubber gasket in there that's, because they're so deep inside, it grabs them. If you don't have one of these, use a regular 5/8 and then grab yourself a magnet and you can pull them out. So we're going to come in here nice and easy. We're going to get onto the spark plug and we're going to loosen it. Once you get the spark plug out, you're just going to lift it out of place. Right here, look, these things are burnt. All All right, the good thing about Denso, when you order them for your Civic, they're gapped for the Civic, all right? So you don't even have to gap them. So we're gonna take the old ones out, obviously one at a time, and we're gonna replace them with the new one. Show you really quick. We're just gonna take the old one out, all right? We're gonna grab the new spark plug right here. Take the little plastic piece off, put it in the socket so it sticks in so it won't fall out. Then you're going to reinsert back in. So go nice and easy. You want to just twist it with your fingers like this until it catches. You don't want to strip it. You give it a nice firm little firm tightening. Okay. Then you're going to grab your new ignition coil. You could line them up with each other just to make sure. Okay. Then we're going to take it, we're going to insert it inside. And before we set it in place, we're going to take our clip and we're going to clip our clip in. Make it, you'll hear that little click. Then you're going to go nice and easy. Give it a little twisty turn and you'll feel it go right in snug. Then you grab your nut. Put it back on, like this. And you're going to take your 10, I believe it was a 10. Yep, your 10 millimeter. You're going to tighten this down. Not super tight, but nice and snug. Once you're done doing the 3 other spark plugs and the 3 other ignition coils the way I just did it, you're going to take your cover, you're going to put it back on, you're going to turn your screwdrivers, you're going to lock this plastic piece back in place, and that, my friends, is how you do a tune-up when you hit about 120,000 miles on your Civic. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped, give me a thumbs up, throw a little comment below if you've done this before. And we will definitely catch you on the next one. I just wanted to mention this is the finished product, okay? Everything's put back together. When you get a chance, when everything is apart, get yourself a rag, get some cleaner, and clean that off, you know? Make it the best you can. I almost forgot. Yo, Sonny, where are you, kid? Sonny? You down there, bro? Hey, yo, Sonny! There you go. You thought I was going to forget you, my boy, Sonny. What do you say, Sonny? What are you eating? No, come on, man. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, right, Sonny? Yo, Sonny! You playing with your bowl again? Some dogs like balls. I mean, you know, play balls, kid. But some dogs like bones. This one, he likes bowls, cuz. Sonny! Alright, let's leave you with that. Sonny, easy! Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.